Now we discuss about the solution of the graph of linear inequality of one variable, that is type 1. Only the single variable having there x is greater or equals to 2. For that, step 1, we have to convert into the equation x equals to 2. How we convert it into the equation? Any sign greater or equal, either the less or equal, that in place of that we are using the equals to sign. So that the method we have to convert that into the equation. So x equals to 2 is the line which is parallel to the y-axis and right hand side from it. So we can draw it, that is x-axis, that is y-axis. So the line x equals to 2 is parallel to the y-axis and right hand side from it. So that is the line x equals to 2. Okay. Now what the part is the required solution of the inequality x is greater or equals to 2. We have the value of x which is greater than 2. So the greater than 2 part is right hand side from the 2. So that the shaded part is the required solution of it. So these are the part of solution of the inequality x is greater or equals to 2. Now the second example is like 2y plus 3 lesser or equals to 0. Solve by the graph method. Solve by the graph method. So how we can solve? How we can solve by the graphical method? We can convert it. 2y plus 3 move from the right hand side is 2y lesser or equals to minus 3. Divide by 2, y lesser or equal minus 3 by 2. Convert into the equation. Again we can in place of that lesser equals to sign we can use the equals to sign. So we get y equals to minus 3 by 2 is the required solution of that inequality. We can change the sign either greater or equal, either less or equal with the equals to sign. This method is called the converting the equation into the inequality. So y equals to minus 3 by 2 is a line parallel to the x-axis below from it. Because in previous video we can discuss about y equal to plus 3 by 2 is the line which is parallel to x-axis above of it and having a minus sign is below of it. So we can draw that line y equals to minus 3 by 2, that is x-axis. In a graph paper we can discuss 1, 2 and that is the middle point of that is minus 1.5, either minus 3 by 2. So we can draw the line that is y equals to minus 3 by 2. Now that line divide the two sections below of it and above of it. Which part we have taken here, the solution of it? In question we have y lesser equals to minus 3 by 2. So the part which is less than of minus 3 by 2 is the required solution. Less than minus 3 by 2 is the below part of the line, because that is minus 1, that is minus 1.5, that is minus 2, that is minus 3 and so on. So minus 2, minus 3, minus 4 are the less than of the value of minus 3 by 2. So the required solution is below of that line. That is the solution part. Now the example number 3, the combination of both these inequalities of one variable, like that x equals to x lesser equals to 2 and y greater equals to 3, solve by the graphical method. How can we solve it? That is a mixing problem of two variables x and y. Okay. So x lesser equals to 2, convert into the equation x equals to 2. X equals to 2, we know that is a line is parallel to the y-axis and right hand side from it. Y greater equals to 3, convert into the equation y equals to 3 is a line parallel to the x-axis and above of it. So we can plot both these lines. That is the x-axis, okay, that is the y-axis. Now we can plot the lines. That is a line is x equals to 2 and we can choose the section less than 2 because the question give x lesser equals to 2. So we can choose the part of that line left hand side from it. That is a line y equals to 3 because that is x-axis. Y equals to 3 is a line parallel to x-axis above of it at the 3 unit. So that is the origin 1, 2, 3. We can choose the scale on the graph paper, that is a line y equals to 3 and we are taking the part of it y is greater than 3. because in question y is greater than 3, so that is a part is above of the line. y equals to 3. So these are the part of the above line. Both these inequality having the common part, that is a part of common, because this line shows left hand part of it, this line shows above of it, so we don't take that part because the required common part of both these inequality in that section, that is a required solution of it.